Yeah, so I read the whole book in 24 hours. Loved it. Absolutely loved it. But reading through it halfway, I noticed you put all the fitness and food in the middle. I thought it was a little bit... I wondered why you did it. Why did you do it?
I put the food and fitness section right in the middle of the book because it was the pointed part of where I changed myself. It's where I got all my energy from. It's where I gained new confidence. And had I not have done that in my life, I wouldn't have been able to step forward and be able to cope with what has happened. It gave me strength, it gave me a fearlessness, and it gave me a certainty within myself. And that's the main reason why I want women to read this, is so they can see that those simple changes, and they're really simple, can change your whole life, can change your children's life too.
Cool.
Okay, next question.
Well, do you have any tips for women in bettering their health?
Yeah, my number one tip is actually wake up every single morning and go and walk with your kids for 30 minutes. I can't believe the change in myself and in my kids. When we do it, we feel energized, we come back, we're ready for breakfast, we're ready for the day. And especially for those kids who do have a learning issue or who need to expel that energy early in the morning, it is the best thing for them. And so it is great for us as women too to get that metabolism moving early in the morning, and waking up and smelling that fresh air and getting out in the sunshine, it just energizes you for the day.
Cool. Do that one again.